In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image using AI in Canva. The first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on Create. When you do that, Canva's Create a Design window will pop up in the center of your screen. Now, on the left hand side of this window, scroll all the way down to Upload and click on Upload. Now, when you click on Upload, Canva will give you two options. You can either upload files or a folder. We are going to click on Upload Files, and when you do that, your device's file explorer will open up, and within your file explorer, just find the image that you would like to remove text from. And once you have it and it is open, you should have a preview of that image now on your screen. So from here, you simply just want to click on Edit Image. When you click on Edit Image, you will be presented with Canva's image editor. And on the left-hand side of the editor, you will see a select area section, a crop section, a pixel eraser section, as well as tools, filters, and shadows, which are effects you can use. For today, we're going to be focused on tools, so click on See All there. And within all of the tools, we are looking for Magic Edit. So once you find Magic Edit, simply just click on it. And within the Magic Edit settings, below the Select Area to Edit section, you'll see a Describe Your Edit section along with a prompt field that you can click into, and you can be specific about exactly what you need to remove. So since it is text, I will say, I like you to please remove the blue text from the image in the end. Just needs to be a clean image of the two people in it. So once we are done, you can simply click on Generate, and when you do this, Canva's Magic Editor will get to work. It doesn't take long at all. It's a few seconds and it should be done. There we go. So now the text was removed from our image successfully. And the last thing that we need to do is look over to the top right corner and click on Save. And when you do that, Canva will notify you that the image was saved to your uploads. And now when we look inside of our uploads file or folder, rather, we see the image with the text removed perfectly from it. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there are any points that I may have missed, or if you found yourself struggling in any way during the tutorial, or you have any questions at all, please feel free to drop them in the comment section of the video, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.